Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient way to tackle tough dirt and grime, an electric pressure washer is your go-to tool. Today, we're reviewing the 5 best electric pressure washers to help you find the perfect one for your home cleaning needs. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. EAFC Electric Car Washer Gun. The EAFC washer gun is designed to deliver powerful cleaning, providing professional quality results that you can achieve right at home. Let's dive into some of its standout features. One of the main highlights of the EAFC washer gun is its high-pressure water output. This washer delivers powerful bursts of water that effectively remove dirt, mud, and grime without damaging your car's paint. It's perfect for tackling tough spots on tires, undercarriages, and other areas where dirt tends to build up, bringing the power of a professional car wash straight to your driveway. Not only is the EAFC washer gun powerful, but it's also lightweight and easy to handle. Its portable design makes it simple to carry around, making it ideal for both quick washes and full detailing sessions. High pressure output delivers strong water bursts to clean even stubborn dirt, while being safe for paint. Waterproof design, made with special materials for water and electricity isolation, ensuring a safer experience. Dual water inlet options, compatible with both self-priming and faucet water sources, offering convenience for water access. Adjustable spray types, 3 water settings to match different cleaning needs. Temperature protection, automatically shuts off when the device overheats or overloads, eliminating safety hazards. Large water flow capacity, efficiently absorbs water to maintain steady, powerful cleaning. Multiple accessories, includes various high-quality extensions for versatile, thorough cleaning. High-pressure cleaning range, with advanced compression technology, it reaches up to 6 to 10 meters, ensuring lasting and efficient cleaning pressure. Adjustable nozzle, easily switch between spray patterns from wide sprays for large areas to focus streams for precise cleaning. Additionally, the cordless, rechargeable battery provides cordless convenience, allowing you to wash your car without needing to plug it in. The battery lasts long enough for multiple washes, so you can clean a car, motorcycle, or bike on a single charge. So, if you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use solution for washing your car at home, the EAFC Electric Car Washer Gun is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Newbeny Brushless Electric High-Pressure Washer. The Newbeny high-pressure washer boasts a sturdy, compact frame that's easy to maneuver and store. Its durable brushless motor provides long-lasting performance, allowing it to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks without wearing out. With impressive water pressure, this washer makes it easy to blast away tough dirt and grime from patios, driveways, cars, and bikes. Let's dive into some of its standout features. 6-in-1 nozzle. The washer includes multiple nozzle attachments to handle any task with precision. It offers a narrow, focused jet for deep cleaning and a wider spray for larger surfaces. Switching between nozzles is quick and easy, just a twist, and you're ready to go. This feature is ideal when moving between different surfaces, like a car and a driveway. Portability, lightweight with large wheels, the Newbeny washer is easy to move around your yard or garden. You won't need to struggle with lugging a heavy machine upstairs or over rough terrain. Energy-efficient brushless motor. The brushless motor is efficient, reducing energy consumption while delivering powerful cleaning performance. It conserves both water and power, making it an eco-friendly option. High-efficiency filtration. Equipped with a stainless steel fine screen, the washer offers deep double filtration, removing impurities and extending the life of the pump. 5-meter water pipe. The included 5-meter water hose provides ample reach for various cleaning tasks, so you can move freely without repositioning. 200 bar max pressure. With a powerful 200 bar max pressure, this washer tackles stubborn stains and grime effectively. 3-gear adjustment. This feature allows you to adjust the water flow to suit different cleaning needs, providing greater control and versatility. 15,000 mAh lithium battery. The large-capacity lithium battery is convenient for outdoor use, allowing for extended cleaning without needing an outlet. So, the Newbeny Brushless Electric High-Pressure Washer is a powerful, eco-friendly, and versatile tool, designed to make cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. If you're looking for a high-performance washer, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Yofidra High-Pressure Car Washer Gun. The Yofidra High-Pressure Car Washer Gun is a powerful tool designed to tackle dirt, grime, and debris with ease, delivering a professional-level clean right at home. Here's why the Yofidra washer gun is the perfect addition to your cleaning routine. Built to last, constructed with high-quality materials, this washer gun is built to withstand frequent use and high water pressure. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable grip, even during extended cleaning sessions. High-pressure cleaning power. The Yofidra washer gun provides powerful water pressure, effectively cutting through dirt and grime on all types of vehicles, cars, trucks, and bikes. Its high pressure lets you reach every crevice, easily removing mud, dust, and road grime, making your vehicle look brand new in minutes. Adjustable nozzle. A standout feature of the Yofidra washer gun is its adjustable nozzle. You can choose from various spray patterns, ranging from a wide mist to a concentrated jet, to suit your cleaning needs. Wireless and convenient. This cordless washer doesn't require a power outlet, making it highly convenient for car washing. It features a brushless motor for powerful performance and fast cleaning speeds, improving efficiency. Versatile water supply options. The Yofidra offers 2 water supply methods, tap water and a self-priming mode, allowing flexibility for different cleaning scenarios. Impressive specifications. Peak water pressure of 200 bar for intense cleaning power. Water output of 4.1 liters per minute for efficient and rapid cleaning. Stainless steel fine screen for double filtration, removing impurities and prolonging the pump's lifespan. Multifunctional use. Beyond car washing, this washer gun is versatile, ideal for cleaning green plants, removing stains, watering gardens, and more. So, the Yofidra high-pressure car washer gun is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that makes cleaning cars and outdoor spaces easy and effective. It's simple to set up, comfortable to use, and delivers professional quality results right at home. Number 2. VEVOR Electric Pressure Washer. Need a powerful solution for deep cleaning around your home? Meet the VEVOR 2300 PSI high-pressure washer. With its robust motor and flexible features, this high-pressure washer can take on everything from tough stains to everyday grime. Let's see why this is the ultimate cleaning tool for any home. Built with a powerful 1900-watt motor, this washer generates up to 1.9 GPM of water flow. It's ideal for removing stubborn dirt, paint, oil, and even weeds from surfaces like driveways, patios, decks, and cars. The VEVOR washer is designed with safety in mind. It automatically stops if the temperature hits over 266 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent, reliable performance without risking overheating. This gives you peace of mind for long cleaning sessions, knowing the washer will protect itself from overheating. With the 26-feet hose, you'll have the flexibility to clean larger areas without needing to move the washer around constantly. Plus, the sturdy metal inlet and outlet ensure a leak-proof experience. The washer's compact PP plastic build, ergonomic handle, and 4 universal wheels make it easy to transport. Assembly takes just minutes, so you'll be cleaning faster with less effort. It's light, easy to move, and perfect for anyone who wants powerful cleaning without the heavy lifting. The washer includes 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles and a 500 ml detergent bottle, so you can tackle everything from concentrated stains to wide area cleaning with ease. Equipped with a total stop system, the washer automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released, saving energy and extending pump life. Plus, the press-type safety lock prevents accidental activation. In conclusion, the VEVOR high-pressure washer is a powerhouse for any cleaning job. With its high water flow, extended hose, and safety features, it's built to make cleaning faster, safer, and more effective. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. First up, let's talk power. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 delivers an impressive 2500 psi of pressure at initial discharge and up to 1.76 gallons per minute of water flow. This level of power gives it the muscle to cut through mildew, grease, tar, mud, and even rust on various surfaces around your home. With the EPEX 3500, you're not just washing surfaces, you're scrubbing them clean with pure scouring force. Whether it's driveways, patios, or even outdoor furniture, this washer has you covered. One of the most impressive features of the EPEX 3500 is its low center of gravity and anti-tipping design. Standing at just 16.5 inches tall, it's engineered to stay balanced as you move it around, and with its four-wheel steering and 360-degree turns, it follows you smoothly and easily from one area to the next. With the EPEX 3500, there's no tipping over, no struggling to reposition. It's designed for ultimate maneuverability, allowing you to maximize your cleaning efficiency without the hassle. The EPEX 3500 comes with 5 quick connect spray tips that allow you to adjust the spray intensity depending on the job. From a gentle rinse to a concentrated blast, these tips make it easy to go from washing delicate surfaces to scouring tough grime. Whether it's a softer 40-degree spray for your car or a powerful 0-degree jet for stubborn stains, you've got the versatility you need right at your fingertips. Just a quick switch, and you're ready to tackle any surface. The EPEX 3500 is packed with features that make your cleaning job easier. With its 25-foot easy coil hose, you can reach a wide area without constantly repositioning. And the onboard detergent tank allows you to apply soap directly through the pressure washer for a deep, soapy clean. The Westinghouse EPEX 3500 is designed to conserve energy and extend the life of your washer with its total stop system. This system automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, saving you energy and prolonging the pump's lifespan. This is a great feature if you're someone who uses a pressure washer frequently. It saves power and reduces wear and tear, making your washer last longer with less maintenance. So, to sum it up, the Westinghouse EPEX 3500 electric pressure washer is a compact, powerful, and efficient machine that takes the hassle out of outdoor cleaning. With impressive PSI, versatile nozzles, and features like anti-tipping and the total stop system, it's designed to make your cleaning experience as easy as possible. So, there you have it, the 5 best electric pressure washers on the market right now. Whether you're looking for power, versatility, or something compact and budget-friendly, there's an option here to suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product reviews.